It is raining like I've never seen it rain before in Fresno. Seriously, I haven't. Whoa. Wow. Did you guys hear that? That was thunder hitting a tree. Oh, it's falling. Oh my god. Wow. It is hailing. It is insane today. Wow. I have not seen rain like this since like 95, I swear. Wow. Let's go check out the patio. Woo. It's my first ever weather video. Everyone else puts snow days and stuff. It's time to show you guys. Oh man, I'm losing satellite signal and everything. Check out the grill. You can hear the lightning. Wow, look, it looks like it snowed. Look at all that white. It looks like it snowed and it's in California. What the hell? Whoa. Look at that, that is hail. Look at the grill. Oh my god. Wow. Holy shit. Whoa. I have not seen anything like this in a long time. Look at that river that formed it. You see the moving water? It's a freaking river. We have a river in our backyard now. It looks like my grill has dandruff. Wow. Wow. You know, I'm really glad. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that. The neighbor's canopy is like falling apart because it's like, oh wow. It's like falling apart because it's like packed with hail. It's insane. Let me grab some of this hail. Oh, I'm gonna put some shoes on. Oh my god. This is insane. I just wanna record this just in case I die today. Just in case my apartment, you know, just blows away like in Wizard of Oz. I don't know. I wanna grab some hail though. Oh man. Grab some hail. Check this out, guys. It is so cold. Wow. Oh my god, I cannot feel my hand. Anyway, yeah. It is raining extremely hard, and I don't know where it came from. It was sunny. It was very sunny this morning. So yeah, I have no idea. It was weird. It's weird. Anyway, thanks for watching.